Okay, my friends, so we're back here with another box. We got our Satisfiction box, and we're gonna unbox it together. What up, Search fam? Sade here. Welcome back to the channel. Now, I'm Sade, out here curating and co-creating a cool ass life, and that includes telling y'all what's be in my mailbox that I be accidentally paying for because I forgot to cancel my subscription or pause my subscription. But that's neither here nor there. Now, whether this is your first time coming across my little corner of the internet, or you keep coming back and haven't subscribed, what's up, baby? Come on and join my internet family and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, be made aware whenever I post, which is usually on the weekends. Okay, as I said, I forgot to pause my Satisfiction box, and so I paid for it, and I forgot when it was coming, and it just came. So we're gonna see what's in her, because I have no idea. But you know, ADHD taxes. Okay, so per usual, beautiful box, very simple. We love that. I love the sort of marketing things for Satisfiction, and of course you get your thank you card where your name be on it. Which is there we go, name be on it, and from the founder, which is always really nice. And you get a what's inside card, and I'm not going to read the what's inside card so we can all be surprised together. So here we go. Oop. That was not as clean as I would have liked it, but here we are. Okay, per. And then we get our good crinklies in our box to cover up all the goodness. Okay, so of course we get our candle, which this one is called Plot Twist. I love the color of the label. So it has white freesia, cashmere, and violet. Ooh, okay, that's cute. That smells good. It smells, so it is floral, sweet, kind of creamy. I'm not mad at that. So this can be my new writing candle, because as part of my writing routine, I light a candle and get me some tea. So we also have a bath bomb, looks like, and it is eucalyptus scent, which is always nice. So with the Satisfiction box, you get a book and you get self-care things. So you can have a self-care night and then get into your little book, and it's very cute. I love it. And so we also got the Yerma cleansing balm, and this is nourishing and moisturizing. So we get us some Korean skincare, which cute. Do I need more Korean skincare? Probably not, but you know, we're here. I'm not ignoring that right now. And then we get a happy buttermelt lotion bar, which that is the box for it. And it is almost open, so we can open that. Okay, here we go. So, ooh, it smells good. Ooh, that is, smells like lemon and patchouli. What's in this? So yes, it has citrus. So like pink grapefruit oil, avocado oil, butters and seeds. What's that? Bergamot and ylang ylang. That's what that smell is. I don't always like ylang ylang, but I guess this is okay. Would I use this? Maybe. We'll see. So, and then we also got under eye mask, because of course you need an under eye mask, child. I love this because I usually put these in my toiletry kit for when I'm traveling, because nothing better than when you get to a place after you done been on a plane and trying your skin out, get a cute little eye mask, cute little face mask, you know. And this one is Manifest and Chill Soothing Face Mask. So it's got lavender, vanilla, and cica extract, whatever that means. And so I'm probably going to put both of these in my toiletry kit for my next trip, which is cute. And then we got our bookie. I have no idea what this book is. Hopefully it's going to be something good that I want to read. All right. And here's where we get the satisfaction of a bubble wrap. Do y'all, any of y'all bubble wrap people? Like you must pop the bubble wrap. Me and my mom are those kind of people. Okay. And so this is When Blood Meets the Earth by E.A. Noble. I think I follow E.A. Noble on Substack. So this is cool. This is their book. It's beautiful. And I mean, open it so I can read it. Read you I would not suggest opening things like this with a pen. But you know, do as I say, not as I do. Okay, great. But also, I love that the scents and colors from the box seem to go with the cover for the book, which I can't say that I've noticed that before, but I did this time. You know, sometimes you don't notice things till later. And so this is about, okay, with the kingdom of, so I'm going to read you the inside of the book, but check that out. That is gorgeous. Hello, somebody. Oh, that's very beautiful. I love that. With the kingdoms embroiled in political war that threatens to exile all ungifted, 20-year-old Bellamy must manifest or everything she loves will be stripped away. Fueled by fierce determination, Bellamy will stop at nothing to prove she deserves to be amongst the ranks of the greatest elemental elite. Until one night she confronts a mysterious hooded thief. As the night unfolds, the key to unlocking her powers might have been triggered. Their fated encounter sends Bellamy spiraling down a web of secrets, lies, and betrayals. Once a weak princess, Bellamy uncovers the truth behind enemy lines. But will it be too late to unite the kingdoms and usher peace between the gifted and the ungifted, or will her legacy be built upon war and treachery? Okay. That sounds cute, whatever. So this is going to go on my bookshelf. When I'm going to get to it, can't be trusted. So that's my Satisfiction box for the month. It's cute. I need to read the book, this book, because it sounds very good. I just had to get in the mood for it. You know how it goes. But as always, friends, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend about the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.